Today we are welcome to Fidel Science Academy. So today we are going to look at chemistry. Under chemistry today, allotropes, or you can call it allotropism. So on this we are looking at this can be seen or defined as the existence of an element in two or more physical states. So what we are looking at is that there are some of the elements, you can see them in different states. Like if you look at carbon, for example, carbon, this exists in up to three major forms. We have the amorphous. Then also we have the fluorine. Then we also have diamond. Then after diamond we have we have diamond, we have fluorine, we have amorphous, and also the last one which is the graphite. So these are the basic form you can see carbon in their different physical states. So also we have other elements that exhibit the same characteristics. Some of the elements are some elements that exhibit these characteristics are phosphorus, then another one I've mentioned carbon before, sulfur, then oxygen. So these are some of the elements that exhibit allotropies because they exist in different physical form. Then on this we are looking at, like we have mentioned sulfur before. Sulfur can exist in rhombic structure, can exist in cyclonic, monoclinic, then the last one is the amorphous. So like also another one we can also look at is oxygen. Oxygen can also exhibit that in two different forms, which are the normal oxygen, or you call it dioxygen, Then we also have the ozones, which is the 3 carbon, 3 molecules, and this is 2 molecules. So on this note, what causes or what makes these allotropies to exist are based on the temperature and pressure that some of these elements undergo. We talk about it, the root cause or the major issue or the major causes of allotropies. Allotropies exist due to temperature and pressure. So those are the major causes that make an allotropy to exist, because of the existence of the temperature and pressure that occur within that cause or that leads to allotropism. Then I've also mentioned I mentioned before, this make this element to exist in different form, and I've mentioned from the initial part of it, I say sulfur, and I mentioned oxygen. I've also mentioned carbon. Then I've also mentioned carbon and phosphorus. So like this one exists in the white form. White. We also have the black and red form. So as a result of the pressure and temperature cause these to exist in different form or different colors, which is the white form, the black, and the red form. Then also the carbon also exists. We have the amorphous, then under this we have the fluorine. Then we also have diamond, which is the hard form of it, of this, and the graphite. This is the only form that can conduct electricity. Then under oxygen, as I earlier said, oxygen exists in dioxygen, then we have the ozones, which is 3, and this is 2. Then under sulfur exists in rhombic form. Also, the other form of it is the amorphous, and the last one, which is the monoclinic form. So these are the various forms. You can see some of this element. So these characteristics make them to exhibit this phenomenon. The phenomenon is the allotropism. The phenomenon or the process or the form at which element exists in different form is referred to as allotropism.